Welcome. If you're someone who uses WhatsApp on your computer, you may have noticed security alerts popping up every now and then. While these notifications are meant to keep you informed, they can sometimes become distracting, especially if you're confident about the devices you use. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to prevent these alerts from showing up on WhatsApp for PC after the latest update. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Take a moment to make sure you're logged in, because you'll need access to your account settings for this process. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll see a small gear icon. This is the settings option. Go ahead and click on it. When the settings menu opens, you'll notice a few categories listed. From here, choose Account. This section controls different features related to your privacy and security. Once inside the account settings, scroll down until you see an option labeled Show Security Notifications on this computer. This is the feature that triggers those alerts every time a contact's security code changes. If you'd like to stop receiving those notifications, simply toggle this option off. The moment you disable it, WhatsApp will no longer show these alerts on your PC. It's important to remember that this doesn't remove the built-in protections WhatsApp uses to keep your conversations secure. It only stops the app from displaying the alerts on your computer. Your chats will remain end-to-end encrypted, and your security isn't at risk. That's it. Just a few easy steps and you're done. Open the app, click the gear icon, head into Account, and switch off Show Security Notifications on this computer. From now on, you can use WhatsApp seamlessly on your PC without constant pop-ups breaking your focus. Whether you're working, studying, or simply chatting, this small adjustment can make your desktop experience smoother. If you ever change your mind, you can follow the same steps to turn the notifications back on. Now that you know how to manage security alerts on WhatsApp for PC, take a moment to adjust your settings and enjoy a cleaner, distraction-free chatting experience.